Welcome to Jacksonville Boat Sales. We're going to do a quick tour of the facility. Got some great boats here. This is a Frontier, Action Craft, Chaparral, great Chaparral, beautiful boat. Front end ladder entrance as well. Great transom setup, in and out, duo prop feature, stainless steel. This boat's phenomenal right out of the hole. Really cool captain's chairs in the back. It's a unique feature as well. That flips forward. Access panel, storage, hard top. Another great Chaparral. Really built some nice, beautiful boats. It's a 277. Fun boat. Some great pontoons. Avalon Catalina Edition. Great features. Check that nice little wet bar out.
The Orange Park Freedom Fest going to be going on with fireworks starting at 9. Tony from The Big Show will be a part of it. 5 o'clock, she's going to show up as us.
That's Helm.
Family to the live music. Simon Ball's more choices this Saturday.
Comfortable. Lots of room. Nice top. Completely stay out of the sun if you want to. Really great feature. So anyway, here's your full tour of Jacksonville Boat Sales. We got a full section devoted for every make and model. Stingray. Fantastic selection. Stop in and see us. We look forward to seeing you soon. Bye-bye.